I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In the last video, we saw solutions of questions 1 to 5. Now, let us see how do we solve question number 6 and question number 7 where the quadratic form of trigonometric equation is involved. So here is the solution of question number 6, which is secant to the power of 4x minus 3 sine square x minus 4 equals to 0. So let's rewrite the equation. It is secant to the power of 4x minus 3 secant square x minus 4 equals to 0. Now we can actually factor this, right? Let me do a substitution to make it simpler. So we'll substitute secant square x as equal to, let's say, y. In that case, secant to the power of 4x will be y square, correct? Substituting, we get y square minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Now we can factor this using product and sum. Product being minus 4 and sum being minus 3. So we could factor as y minus 4 times y plus 1 equals to 0. So that is how we could factor, and that really means that the solution is y equals to 4 and y equals to minus 1. So these are the solutions. Since we know what y is secant square x. So we can write here that secant square x equals to 4 and secant square x is equal to minus 1. Well, square cannot be negative, and so no solution for the second part. However, secant square x equals to 4 has solutions, right? So let's continue with that part, which is like secant x is equal to plus minus square root of 4, right? So we'll see what are the solutions for this equation. On the right hand side, let me rewrite secant square x as equal to plus minus 2. Now if secant x is plus minus 2. So if secant x is plus minus 2, that means what is cosine x? It is reciprocal of secant, right? It is plus minus half. We can look into this special triangle which gives us the solution, right? Sides being 1 to square root 3. We are looking for half. Cosine, that means pi by 6, is the angle of interest. Plus and minus means all 4 quadrants, correct? So we have 4 solutions. Cosecant x equals to plus minus half. So to find x, let's look into the special triangle, which is pi by 3, pi by 2, pi by 6, right? The sides, as you know, are 1 square root 3 and 2. Cosecant x is plus minus half. That means we are looking into pi by 3. Now plus and minus means we have 4 quadrants, right? In all the 4 quadrants we have the solution. So pi by 3 means the situation is kind of like this, right? And the solutions are, as you know, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, and 5 pi by 3, correct? So that is how we get the solution for this one. So x is equal to pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, and 5 pi by 3. Perfect. So I hope the solution of question number 6 is absolutely clear. Now, question number 7, which is also a quadratic equation. This equation is 2 secant square x plus tan square x minus 3 equals to 0. Let's factor product and sum being 2 times minus 3. But you cannot, right? What do you have to do? You have to write it in one trigonometric ratio. Perfect. As you know, what is 1 plus tan square x? Well, 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. So we can replace secant with 1 plus tan square. So we can write this as 2 times 1 plus tan square x. Plus tan square x, right? Minus 3 equals to 0. Open the bracket. 2 plus 2 tan square x. Plus tan square x minus 3 equals to 0. Now, 2 tan square x and tan square x is 3 tan square x. And 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So that means tan square x is equal to 1 over 3. Or I could now write this as tan x equals to plus minus square root of 1 over 3, right? So tan x is plus minus 1 over square root 3. It really means we are looking at which angle? Let's draw our special triangle once again. So in this triangle, square root 3 and 1 are these sides. 1 over means we are looking from pi by 6 side, correct? So x is equal to pi by 6 in all the 4 quadrants, right? Let's be very clear. So we have the solution as this, correct? So x equals to pi by 6. Then we have 5 pi by 6. And then we have 7 pi by 6. And then we have 11 pi by 6. So these are the 4 solutions for the given equation. Perfect. So with that, we have solved both these equations, quadratic in nature. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, it'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.